If you cannot eat one of these full packages of animal fat, doesn't have to be butter. If you cannot eat 227 grams of fat a day, you might have something wrong with your gallbladder. Let's get into it. Welcome everyone to my humble life, where we made it through the crazy ass storm that was, shall we say, cooked up. But I digress. Okay, here we go. The gallbladder. Oh, I get these comments on my videos saying, oh my god, eating that much fat is so disgusting, how gross. And I'm like, okay. And in the comment section, I'm writing, you have a gallbladder issue, you have a gallbladder issue, you have a over and over and over again. If I ate that much fat, I would puke. Well, then there's something wrong, because if you continue to not eat enough fat, then the gallbladder can start to create stones, and you don't want that. You don't want to go down the rabbit's hole to the point where you have such a fat aversion that you're just looking to eat olive oil and coconut oil to avoid this sort of fear of getting in the fat, or the fear of discomfort. So, and for those who have the gene variant ApoE4, I'm not talking to you. Well, some people have ApoE4, which they feel inflamed eating fat, but then there are the people who have histamine intolerance to butter and they feel inflamed. But if you're not in one of those camps and you just think you might have a gallbladder issue, it's good to know the symptoms, which is bloated, nauseous, right side pain or pressure, shoulder blade pain, neck pain from the back radiating, pain from the middle of the stomach to the back, floating stool, pale stool, yellow stool, greasy stool, heart palpitations. I'm trying to think of all the symptoms. Nauseous, some people vomit. Yeah. Those are the symptoms, or just an aversion to eating fat, like I feel full. Then you either will have sludge, stones, you may not be producing enough pancreatic lipase to help break down, which is an enzyme to help break down the fat. You may not be producing enough taurine and glycine. These are amino acids to help the flow, the bile flow, to break down the fat. So you have certain things in the body that will help the flow of these salts that scrub down and break down the fat so your body can absorb it. So often people who are not breaking down the fat, they feel sick, and sometimes it's just an easy fix. Everyone, and I mean everyone, should be able to eat packages and packages of fat. This is 227 grams of fat, which you should be able to consume with no problem. I get a lot of comments under my video in the comment section with people saying, oh my god, I can never eat that much fat. I'm like, you have a gallbladder issue. People do not understand they have an underlying gallbladder issue. The point is, the more you do not eat the fat, the worse it gets. You put yourself at risk of producing and making stones. And you do not want to develop gallstones. That's a hot, stinking, dangerous mess. Sometimes you just need to eat a little bit of fat to get bile flowing. Massage it with some hexane-free castor oil. There are a lot of remedies like the dandelion root and the bitter herbs, milk thistle, tutka. Tutka would be for people who have a gallbladder. Bile salts, ox bile salts, would be for people who do not have a gallbladder. Lipase, taurine, and glycine are for people that do have no response to the bile salts or to tutka. Sometimes thyme, lemon water, malic acid, things that will dissolve the stones and thin out the bile, because it gets sludgy. What ends up happening when you don't eat enough, not butter, just animal fat, the concentrating bile salts, it drops from your liver into this little gallbladder through a series of plumbing called your biliary duct system, and that stuff drips into your gallbladder, and when you don't eat fat, nothing's being released, so it just keeps getting thicker and thicker to the point where it makes sludge and then stones, and that's when you feel sick, when you can't break down the fat. You should be able to eat this with no problem. 1, 2, 3, 4 packages. I'm not talking about weight, I'm talking about the gallbladder should function. If you feel sick eating animal fat, you need to get on fixing that gallbladder right away.